Welcome. This video is designed to help you get familiar with navigating and registering your chapter using the new Chapter Management Dashboard. Start by visiting the NAEA website at www.arteducators.org. Once you're on the NAEA homepage, on the top right corner is a login button. Use your NAEA credentials to log in. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Once you're in the NAEA member portal, you'll see Manage My NAHS Chapter. Welcome to the Chapter Management Dashboard. Here you'll be able to see your chapter information and your sponsor information. You'll see your chapter status along with your chapter ID number. Below you'll see options for things you might need to do. Below, you'll see helpful downloads and upcoming dates and opportunities. Before we begin the process of registering your chapter, you'll need to download and complete the roster template down here. Start by filling out your chapter ID number. Every row will need a chapter ID number in current school year, which is 2018/2019. Fill in the grade level, first and last name, and email addresses are optional but highly encouraged. Once you are done, please save as a CSV for uploading. Now it's time to register your chapter. Start by clicking the Register My School Chapter link. Here, this will prompt you to upload your Excel document. Once you've uploaded, click Import. This will prompt you to validate your records. If you have any errors, please don't hesitate to reach out. Once you've submitted your records, this will prompt you to payment. You'll see your shopping cart, and down below you'll see payment information. Here you can select credit card or pay by check. If paying by check, please be sure you click mailing check. You have now successfully registered your chapter for the school year. Payment will be marked pending until we receive the check. Questions? If you need additional information or assistance, contact NAEA Member Services at nahs@arteducators.org or 800-299-8321.